Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be solving an interesting and a funny question from motion in a straight line. Without any further ado, let us solve this question. So this question basically states that there is a drunkard, okay, who moves 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Okay, again followed by 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Okay. Now also the distance of each step is given as 1 meter, and time taken to take that step is 1 second. Okay, so you have to draw the xt graph. Okay, also you have to determine, okay, how much time does it take to fall in a pit which is 13 meters away from the start. Is this clear? Okay, so first let us actually visualize what actually is going on with the help of this small animation. So see this animation. So first he moves 5 steps forward. Next he goes 3 steps backward. Now again he'll go 5 steps forward. Now he goes 3 steps backward. So is this animation clear? Okay. Now 3 steps backward he has gone. Correct. So now what we have to do, we have to draw the XT graph. So let us draw the XT graph. Okay, in the next slide. Okay, so now let us plot the position time graph of the man. Okay, so this is position and this is time. Okay, so time is in seconds and the position, okay, is in meters. Okay, so yes, is this clear? Okay. Okay, so now let us plot the graph. So at start, where is the man? He's at origin. At 1 second it's like this, then like this, 2 3 4, then 5 meters in 5 seconds. Then what he does? Then he comes 3 steps down, which means he comes back. So negative over here. Again he comes back. So 1 meter down, back like this. Okay. So again what he does? He starts moving up. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4 and 5. So this is how graph is plotted. Again he comes back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sorry, not 4, 3. Again he goes up. Okay, so quickly I will plot the graph. Okay. Okay, so here is the graph. Okay, so yeah, so this is the graph, the position time graph. How does it like? It is something like this. Correct. Okay, so it's like goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So it's kind of like a mountain shape. Correct. Okay, so this is the position time graph. And when what time does a man reach the pit? You can see 13 meters. When does he reach? If you see, this is 13 meters. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. It is at this peak. And where is this peak? This peak is at 37 seconds. So he falls into the pit at 37 seconds. Okay. Now, this is okay. Graphically, you have determined. Normally, in other ways, how do you solve it? Okay. Like if they give it to you in normal exam, okay, like they give you MCQ, you can't draw the graph, right? You saw how much time it takes. Okay, so there's another method of solving. Now the distance, how is the man's distance going? Displacement. Okay, so yeah, it is nothing but displacement, not distance. Okay, the displacement is nothing but what? 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, and so on. Okay, correct. Now 5 minus 3 is 2 plus plus plus. Now, this is 5 minus 3, 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 which means that the man has come down. Okay. So, assume man is over here now. Okay, somewhere over here. Okay. Now, the man will go up. Actually, he's over here. The man is over here. Now, what will actually happen is man will go up, which means by 5 steps. Okay. If he goes by 5 steps, now calculate the distance. Okay. Calculate the distance. Now, okay. So, distance, if you calculate, you are getting, or displacement, if you calculate, you are getting it as 13 meters. Okay. Clear? So, you have got 13 meters he has traveled. Correct? Okay. Understood? Okay. Why did I take 5 over here? See, how much is this? This is what? 8. Plus x, you should get 13. So x, you will get it as how much? 5. Okay. So 13 meters. Now, this is okay. But what you need to find out actually, you need to find out the actual time taken for him. Now, how much time does it take to go these two effective steps? Is nothing but time taken for these 5 steps plus time taken for these 3 steps. See, the time is always added up. Okay, you can't subtract time. Okay, so time is always what added up over here. Okay, so it takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. It is okay. Assume you have gone 5 steps forward and you come 3 steps backward. Okay, so what is it? The time will get added 5 plus 3, which is what? 8 seconds. Correct? 8 seconds. It's not that 5 minus 3, 2 seconds. You can't subtract time. Okay. So how much time does it take for two effective steps? For 2 effective steps, he takes a time of 8 seconds. Here he takes an effective time of 8 seconds. Here he takes an effective time. Again, an effective time of 8 seconds. Here again, it is the same logic. 8 seconds. And these 5 are what? Steps. For 5 steps, how much distance does it take? 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. So this is nothing but what? 8 times 4 minus plus 5. So which is nothing but 32 plus 5. How much? 37 seconds. So it takes the drunken man 37 seconds to fall into the pit. Okay. So I hope this is clear. And if this question, okay, by chance comes into like any of your competitive exams like MCQ, you will be solving it using this method. So is this clear? Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments down below. So until then, see you. Bye bye.